Are you an affiliate marketer and you aren't getting the results that you expected when you first got started? What if I could tell you there's likely one big mistake that most affiliate marketers are making? In fact, I made this mistake at first too, and it's hurting your success. Once you know what this mistake is and how it's hurting your success, you'll be surprised at how easy it is to overcome this mistake and change your results. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. In today's video, I'm going to highlight for you the one big mistake that most affiliate marketers make, especially beginners, that hurts your opportunity to be successful. And like I mentioned, this is a mistake that I made, and I can attest that it hurt my results until I stopped doing it. And since I don't want this training to be a downer, the good thing about this training is that it's easy to overcome, and the change in your results will be rapid. I recall when I learned that what I was doing was actually hurting my results. It was one of those moments in my online journey where I actually felt a little silly. When you hear what this is, you're going to resonate with it and you're going to have that aha moment, just like I did. So let's get to it and identify what this one thing is that is hurting your results more than you can imagine. So what is it? Well, the one thing, the one big mistake that most affiliate marketers make, especially beginners, is what I'm going to call the scattergun approach. The scattergun approach basically means trying to do everything at once and hoping one of those things will stick, but they'll work. Let's face it, when it comes to affiliate marketing, there's an endless list of things that you can promote. You can promote programs, software tools, training courses to help you with the programs, coaching, done-for-you assets, the list goes on. Then you also have the many different ways in which you can attract traffic. There's almost an endless list of traffic sources. There's Facebook ads, Facebook organic, YouTube ads, Google ads, solo ads, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, blogs, so on and so on. And then there are the many different affiliate marketing marketplaces like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, and that list goes on as well. As a beginner, you want to give yourself every opportunity to succeed, to make sales, so you get sucked into trying everything, or at least most of these things. I know I did, right? So in that chase for the first sale or the consistent stream of sales, you feel you need to be doing all of these things. I mean, it makes sense, right? Try everything, be seen everywhere, and you're more likely to get results. Well, I'm here today to tell you from personal experience that the scattergun approach just does not work. The more traffic sources, the more products and the more marketplaces that you try to use, the more you reduce your likelihood of success. And I get it, you see the gurus everywhere and you think if they're doing it, then you need to as well. But here's the thing, they didn't start out on all the platforms doing everything. We fall into the trap of comparing their today with our today and forget that they have consistent income streams established that have enabled them to expand into these additional platforms and traffic sources. It wasn't until I heard a training by a guy who's done over 300 million in sales online that I finally got this lesson. He said during this training that of all the traffic sources available to him, he prefers to use one. Now, he did admit that he uses two of them because he can, but he explained that more than 80% of his new subscribers came from one traffic source, which was Facebook ads, in case you're wondering. Imagine that, 80% of your traffic coming from one traffic source. Imagine how good you can get at one traffic source when all you have to do is concentrate on one traffic source. As a beginner, I bet you can relate to the relief that comes from knowing you don't need to perfect all of the traffic sources or even more than one of them. Oh my God, that was a massive aha moment for me. Here I was trying to spread my time across all these different traffic sources, driving traffic to all these different offers, at the same time as trying to be on multiple different affiliate marketplaces. I was going crazy, not to mention the fact that I wasn't making the sales that I expected for all this effort that I was putting in. As soon as I realized Actually, it was less realizing and more effective hearing how silly what I was doing was. As soon as I heard it out loud, it was like a massive relief came over me. I remember thinking, you mean I can drop 80% of what I'm doing and just focus on one thing? Let me know in the comments if this is something that you are struggling with or have struggled with, and you just had the same type of aha moment that I had when I heard this. The simple truth is that the scattergun approach doesn't work, and the solution to the scattergun approach is to focus on one traffic source and one main product or program and get really good at it. Get consistent results, and then you can expand your reach, but get good at one first. Not only will you start to see better results, but you'll feel a whole lot better because you won't be so damn tired all the time from trying to do everything, jumping from one thing to the next in the hope that something will work eventually. Now, before I finish up today, there is one additional tip I want to add about the mistake and the solution I just outlined. And in case you missed the solution, it was to focus on one traffic source and one core product or program. That's it. The additional tip is that you want to ensure that the product or program that you focus on has the capacity to add more income opportunities as your new customers ascend through your business. What this means is you need to have what I've learned to be known as a profit center. The profit center is where you're able to sell additional services that complement the initial program that you sold to your new customer. So in my case, I have an affiliate marketing training course that is a complete step-by-step program that teaches you how to get started, and it gives you the steps to take one at a time to set up and grow your business. Now, since affiliate marketing has a number of ways to support your business, there are certain products or tools that you need to get set up. So you want to be able to make a commission from these tools as you help your customers set up their business. This is the profit center concept. You have complementary tools, resources and products that you can promote to your existing customers to grow your commissions and their business. Now, it's important to note that you're not trying to sell all of these tools all at once, and you aren't using them as an entry to your business when you get started. You focus on the one program or product to attract them into your business and then offer them additional products from your profit center once they are a buyer. What most affiliate marketers who are just starting out will do is try to get a customer by offering everything they have all over the place in the hope that one of the products will work. Well, let me tell you, it doesn't. Focus on one product, one traffic source, and then expand when you have consistent results. That's all there is to it. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and helped you identify the one big mistake that's hurting your results as an affiliate marketer. So let's do a quick recap. The one big mistake is trying the scattergun approach to your marketing and product suite. The solution to this big mistake is to focus on one program or product and one traffic source and get really good at it and get consistent results before expanding. And finally, make sure you have a profit center of offers for your buyers once they are in your ecosystem. Now, if you want to get the same step-by-step hand-holding tuition that I got to grow affiliate marketing the right way to ensure you get started and making sales in the first 30 days, then click the link in the description to partner with me and my mentor. Thanks for watching today's training. To get the best affiliate marketing training, click the link in the description and let's build your business in the next 30 days. To continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button, leave me a comment below, let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to each one. And don't forget to get started with the best step-by-step affiliate marketing training and personal support from me for the first 30 days, click the link in the description and let's get you earning an online income in the next 30 days.